Welcome to our quiz on idioms. An idiom is a phrase or expression with a figurative meaning that differs from the literal meanings of its individual words. Let's see how well you understand these expressions. You'll have 10 seconds for each question, but feel free to pause if you need more time. Let's get started. What does the idiom "break the ice" mean? A. To make people feel comfortable. Or B. To literally break ice. Or C. To stop something from freezing. What is meaning of idiom "let the cat out of the bag"? A. To release a cat from a bag. Or B. To reveal a secret. Or C. To go shopping for pets. What does "once in a blue moon" refer to? A. A celebration at night. Or B. A moon that looks blue. Or C. Something that happens very rarely. What does "speak of the devil" mean? A. To talk about evil things. Or B. The person you were just talking about actually appears. Or C. To chant a curse. What does "cry over spilled milk" mean? A. To actually cry in the kitchen. Or B. To complain about a loss from the past. Or C. To spill milk and cry. What does "throw in the towel" mean? A. To give up. Or B. To throw a towel literally. Or C. To start a laundry business. What does "apple of my eye" mean? A. Something very valuable. Or B. Something that is disliked. Or C. Something cherished or loved deeply. In what situation might you use the idiom "it's raining cats and dogs"? A. Learning about pets. Or B. Raining heavily. Or C. Buying lots of pets. What does "a piece of cake" refer to? A. Something easy to do. Or B. A slice of cake. Or C. Baking a cake. When do we use idiom "long story short"? A. Begin a long story. Or B. Delay the story. Or C. Summarize the topic. What does "under the weather" mean? A. Outside in a bad weather. Or B. Feeling ill or unwell. Or C. Studying meteorology. What does beat around the bush mean? A. To avoid giving a direct answer. Or B. To trim a hedge efficiently. Or C. To take a long walk in the forest. If you sip your lip, what are you doing? A. Keeping quiet. Or B. Closing a zipper. Or C. Singing a song. What does "when pigs fly" mean? A. When pigs actually fly. Or B. Highly likely to happen. Or C. A description of an impossible event. What does "costs an arm and a leg" mean? A. Price of an arm and a leg. Or B. Something very expensive. Or C. Buying chicken. Thanks for joining with us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your scores in the comments below. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more English grammar challenges.